The bank has now got around 799 branches pan India, as well as approximate 2000 ATMs. Bank has adopted net banking, mobile banking, and all these technology services long back, in the early 2000, 2008 to 2010. In almost in all states, bank is having presence, except the northeastern part like Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, and the western part Goa. Almost on every state, bank is having its branches. Mostly, the bank is having it is a bank for MSME business. MSME customers are given priority here, and we are giving utmost importance to the MSME finance need, uh, to how to finance them and how to establish them. Now, recently, in our 120 years thing, we are started regarding this industry thing. We have started MSME loan automation system. In that, it is a end-to-end digital loan application in which retail and MSME applications can be processed through system, and the decision can be given within 48 hours. Normally, the credit decision for small-scale industries (MSMEs) is a difficult task because timely credit, uh, proper estimation, analysis of the credit requirement, and other things creates problem, and it takes a long time. To eliminate this, bank has now started a new new gen technique in where all MSMEs, especially since it is a MSME based field and machine tool manufacturers as well as buyers, they need finance. So here they need to submit the documents in requisite documents in a PDF form. They can send it through mail also, and bank will process it through the software, and the decision can be given within 48 hours. In principle sanction they can get based on the in principle sanction. So the decision is very fast. The thing is, decision is very fast. They need not wait for 15 20 days, sometimes a month, 2 months. Banks are taking time and giving decisions. So here the decision will be very fast. Mostly in there are other advantages also are there. Mostly all banks are giving MSME finance and all, but here what we are giving, we are first of all, as I told, we are giving priority to MSME sector. Our almost 60% of the total book size is MSME. Next, we have automated this process. So the customer is having GST, they are having income tax return and all. So all those things, we are taking GST consent from the customer, and it will be auto populated from the system. So no human intervention required, no paperwork required. Similarly, for income tax also, from 456, it can be generated from the website and sent in a mail or through any other electronic mode. It will be system will automatically take the PDF, and it will calculate the eligibility. So it has simplified the credit sanctioning process and customer mostly the customer experience for swift sanction and very fast disbursement. More than that, the bank is totally automized. Like the net banking and internet mobile banking facilities are there. There is a soft token facility as well as hard token facilities also. So any MSME who is engaged in business, normally in our country, MSMEs are family based. Like in a family, if husband, wife, or maybe partners, or maybe directors, it is a family based organization in our country. So the net banking and all, it is everything made online and having equal, very well managed security, like up to let's say 50 lakhs. If somebody wants to do transaction, they can do at their office itself with soft token facility. Whereas if they want to do more than that, there is a hard token like digital signature facility is available. For that, they can do. For normally the problem what MSME faces, like a monthly submission of stock statement and statements and all, so that also can be done through net banking. The customer did not visit at the branch other than for the purpose of locker, or for the locker operation, or for the purpose of jewel loan. Otherwise they do not require to visit the branches. Now the persons who are having any credit requirement, especially MSME, there is a requirement of by government of India. Udyam registration is mandatory. So any customer who wants to take avail some credit facility and not having, I mean, they want to apply to us, they must have a Udyam registration certificate along with the other documents. So they can visit any nearby branches and they can have the Uddam registration certificate with the that is mandatory. Otherwise, the procedure in this system, the procedure is met like that. The person is having a GST and Uddam registration certificate will be processed very. That is system is designed like that. That is one part. Second, for the ease of doing of banking, on the banking part. So as I told, there is no need to visit many bank branches. Nor periodically, your RM will visit you at your place, at your business. They will inspect what business you are doing, whether you are doing as per the requested, what you have requested as per the your requested uh, opportunities you are utilizing properly or not. And every month, some RM will be visiting you and they will be taking feedback from you. All your banking requirements, like stock statement and all, everything it is online, so you need not visit the bank. You can fully concentrate on business. As a part of innovation, bank has also started some wearables. Wearables means we have started smartwatch debit card. Like it is, we had a tie-up with one a smartwatch company where we are providing smartwatch debit card. There, the debit card is installed in the smartwatch itself. So any and it is a through Wi-Fi it will act. So where you are going for any purchase and all, through this smartwatch you can make the payment up to certain limit, which can be controlled through your mobile banking. Suppose after the transaction you feel that I don't require this limit open at this point of time, you can make it zero also through your mobile banking. And when you are going there, you instantly you can activate the limit and you can deactivate the limit also. We have keychain debit card also. For this too, we have got RBI award for financial inclusion and technology related matter. uh, Bank is also extensively using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation to for advanced technology. As a part of innovation, we have also started the one service called Hello UPI. In that, customer can do transaction. It is a conversational payment through UPI. So customer can command the payment, and the payment will be happening with their voice, using their voice. So this will benefit. So and the voice can be in regional languages also. So in their it is called UPI 123 in regional language and Hello UPI. This facility has been made. In this facility, customer can transfer funds. They can generate statement also by speaking. System artificial intelligence will recognize the voice, and based on that, the transfer has been made, and they can do in the regional language also. uh, Apart from that, we have also implemented cardless UPI transaction, and I mean ATM transaction. In that, suppose a customer is not using the credit card, I mean debit card, he can visit ATM and through UPI he can withdraw the cash. That is also been implemented. So this bank, over the last 120 years, bank is in existence. Bank has a record of giving dividend and declaring profit over all the 120 years, which is a record in the Indian banking industry. And at the same time, bank is giving the all the advanced technology services to their customers. So the small and medium and micro enterprises, where mostly the big banks they do not focus, and these customers are getting neglected also in big banks because they are already always running for some big companies and big corporates where they can give a comparatively larger quantum of finance. And but this bank is concentrating on this sector for over the year, over more than 100 years. And customers, the most important thing is today's market, that customer experience and customer satisfaction. So the feedback which we have taken at time to time from our customers, it has been uh, observed that it has been, we have been able to give them satisfaction to the larger extent. One or two cases may be there where we could not deliver as per the expectation, but we are trying to that also. But mostly in the most of the cases, customers are giving most preference to our bank. Not only that, this this MSME customers, where there is a up to a certain limit, they are having exposures. They are getting a very quick response in this bank compared to other bank. They are getting very quick. Suppose in between during a season, suppose a customer is having some kind of business, where during a year at some point of time there is a season. In that season, he may be having some more demand. He can get bulk orders, he can purchase in bulk to get some price benefit and all. This is also supporting by considering the MSME expertise, bank is supporting. Unlike other banks where they are not that much of flexible. Here, flexibility is more, so they can get some additional funding based on their account operation and limit uses percentage. They will get some additional fund to meet the additional demand during the uh, s- let's say festival season or some seasonal demand. Like suppose a tire manufacturing industry, they will be having higher tire manufacturing during the summer. So the demand will increase, as well as they have to procure more raw material. So working capital requirement will be more during the summer. Whereas once rainy season comes or winter comes, the demand will slow down. So to meet that, bank is supporting the customers based on their track record and their account operation and their securities. So that also customer can gain. The small things are being taken care by the bank, which in turn customer can get a good as well as a good return. They can use this additional fund to get more raw material, to get to meet more demands, and to get the leverage over others, their competitors. So again, for any uh, like any green initiatives also, mostly banks are getting they are not flexible for green initiatives. But in City Union Bank, there are many customers where City Union Bank has given funding as a first time businessman based on their experience in that industry. Maybe he has worked in the same industry, or he has some expertise based on the viability of the project, and they are a well established businessman today. Uh, Apart from that, during the credit assessment also, credit assessment part also, the bank will try to meet the expectation, I mean the requirement of the customer to the maximum. And mm, definitely it will be helpful for the MSMEs. So right now in this financial year, like when we are celebrating 120 years, when bank has come out with this innovative technology solution, where the MSMEs can get up to 5 crores loan sanction within, in principal sanction within 48 hours of turnaround time. I think it is one of the important milestone in the banking industry. May not be there may not be any bank who can give decisions for MSME. Maybe for retail industry, somebody may be giving like home loan or car loan. But for MSME, maybe for retail industry, somebody may be giving like home loan or car loan. But for MSME, for this shorter period of turnaround time, is the USP of this bank at present, and it is getting very successfully uh, over all the regions. And I would request the participants who are attending this expo, online expo, they should inquire, they should visit our nearby City Union Bank branches and uh, speak to the branch manager or the relationship manager concerned, and they should take the advantage of this facility, and they should get if there is any requirement, it will be addressed by us at the earliest possible time. I am also thankful to Mr. To Miss Preeti Madam from SMB Excel for giving me an opportunity to speak and reach with all the participants who are participating in this online expo, and to give me a chance to speak, to present our bank's profile, and as well as what are the additional features, what are the unique features we are giving to the MSMEs. Any other, if anybody is having any other queries related to MSME finance or any other option, they can also reach to us. They can have our contact number from SMBL Excel, and they can approach to us. Thank you.